Hey guys, Steve here with Rebel Off-Road Texas. Just wanted to give you an update on the 392 build that we have here in the shop. We got most of the suspension finished up. We have our Recon suspension with the Elka coilovers in there, which matches perfect with the theme of the red that has this Jeep going. We also have the Currie 60s in here with the red diff covers that also matches, which is awesome. We have some pretty good sized tires going on this. We're going to have you stay tuned for that. We also have the TerraFlex long arm suspension installed, ready to go. Brian is just getting drive shaft measurements for this vehicle, and then the build process will keep going from there. So I'll take you to the rear of the vehicle. We have the Currie 60 as well in the rear with our Recon coilover suspension as well. Elka's to match with the front. We also got powder coated matched brackets to match with the red. We still have rear bumper to do, as well as fender flares on this build, and we have some pretty good wheels and tire setup coming for this thing, so we're excited to show you this build. Stay tuned for the completion of this vehicle. We're going to do a complete walk around once this vehicle's done, and we're very, very excited to show you. Thank you guys.